how to get $10,000 per month with your independent freight dispatching business without spending zero money on ads. Ads meaning advertising, ads meaning marketing. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the numbers, how to get to this 5-figure per month business. Maybe you don't have any idea about what are you talking about. Come on, what's this independent freight dispatching, or what about this dispatching? Like, I don't know anything about trucking. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for one big reason. When I post videos like this, you will be notified first. So this is very important, guys. Let's dive in. And again, my name is Kamal. For those of you who don't know me, today is specifically dedicated how you can get to that $10,000 per month with your independent freight dispatching. Guys, quick backstory about this topic and why I want to do this. When I was back in college studying psychology with my broken English, I'm still studying English because it's my third language, right? So what happened is that, I need to support my family, selling on Amazon and eBay and Etsy, whatever, just selling online. I tried everything, be honest with you. For me, it didn't work. It didn't happen. So what I had to do is, I went the traditional way of doing business, meaning paying a lot of front cash and then buying expensive equipments and then do business that way. But this 10,000 level was like, okay, if I can make 10K per month, that's it. But at the same time, what's happening inside you, meaning inside your mind, mostly these false beliefs, and you can't do that. It's not for you. You don't know English. People can make millions of dollars, but 10K, it's not for you, so to speak, right? This is crazy. When I look back, it's like, wow, the only thing was holding me is it's my mind, right? My thoughts, nothing else. So I jumped into the business. I started doing business, but then I started with the trucking company, which is Prime Express LLC. I started with my carrier side of a business. So as I said, buying expensive equipments, and then this is how I started, traditional way of doing business. I have the video, so that video will give you the in-depth story about how I did it and how I failed it actually. So, and then how I switched from being a carrier, offering my independent freight dispatching business. And obviously I paid a lot of money. I started earning some money, and I paid a lot of money to coaches and mentors that they will teach me one thing only: marketing. Because guys, if you know marketing, that's it. You'll be killing with your business. You'll make a lot of money. And carriers right now, why they're not going out of their offices and look for direct shippers or get more book of business, the number one reason is that they don't know how to do marketing. I was guilty. I didn't know back then. I didn't know anything about marketing strategies and tactics and execution. I didn't know anything. So when I started working with my mentors, working with my coaches, and then I realized, okay, this is how we get there. In not only 4 or 5 figure business, it's like go to 6 level, go to 7-figure business, and go up to 8-figure business, which is crazy. I am the example. I'm running in front of you. So if I can do it, you can do it. So in this slide that I prepared for you guys, I break it down everything for you. This is what I found, and this what I paid a lot of money so I can learn this and implement my business. This is the main theme. This is how it works. So everything boils down to 3 things, and I will cover in this video real quick. So the number one is obviously you must pick a niche, right? Which is your marketing. And I've been saying this over and over and over again. I can't emphasize enough of importance of choosing or picking one market. This is very important, guys. I see a lot of people failing in this business just because they're trying many markets out there. They're in the reefer market, they're in the flatbed market, they're in the drive-in market, then they're trying to be in the box truck business, which is like totally different level. It's not gonna happen, guys. And this is like who chases 2 rabbits catches none. So pick one market. I'll keep it simple, straightforward. Keep one market, which is flatbed. And why flatbed? You can make a lot of money in the flatbed market. Go and see and do your research. So the number of trucks is important. The number 5 plays a huge role in this 10K mark per month with your business, and obviously marketing message, right? And we will break it down and we'll go into details talking about these numbers. Very important. Keep in mind, one truck can generate up to $35,000 per month gross. It's not per week. It's not per year. It's just 1 month, 30 days. Flatbed truck can generate up to 40,000, right? It can happen. So then 35K multiplied by 5 trucks, then we have $20,000 per month business. So maybe you're asking like, Kamal, what if like this guy has 3 trucks? I don't care. How many trucks? 5 trucks. Your marketing message. How many carriers? 1 carrier. There will be people approaching me with 2 trucks. There'll be guy approaching me with 3 trucks. You don't work with them. What you're looking for, if you want to get there fast, this is what you want to do. And I was there, I know. I didn't want to like miss opportunities with those trucks. I want to serve them, but then you have this ideal client in your mind. So I want to work with this guy. This guy owns 5 trucks. That's it. I want to work with him. That's golden. Now what we're going to do is that we'll talk about the messaging, the marketing message you will have online or out there trying to promote your business. You must have one market and then you must have one client at a time. So you must have one carrier and one ideal customer, and you want to directly speak to them. See the language? Hey carrier with 5 trucks. So this is very powerful. It's not, hey carriers, I have dispatching business. And then I have the formula that, I'll share with you. And again, guys, I invested a lot of money to learn this that I'm about to show you, the marketing message. And obviously you're getting for free. And why is it I'm sharing with you? Because I really want to deliver the value to you guys. If you want to work with me, that's fine. If you don't, it's okay. You can just take it and you'll be killing it with your business. I'm okay with that. Maybe one day you can come back and say, hey, Kamal, let me give you a testimony because I learned something from this video and I implemented it and I made a lot of money. The formula that I'm about to share with you, it works. You just plug and play, okay? So be with me and I will go over with you real quick. So here you go, the marketing message. And this is the formula. I must get clear about whatever the instructions you have. And obviously in communication, there's like patterns and frameworks and like, it's basically guiding you and using this formula saying, hey, this is what I do for you to get wherever you want to go. I'll help you by doing something without the objection that you don't want to do it. One thing that you need to understand when you promote your businesses is that confused minds don't buy. For example, if you're selling to me your independent freight dispatching business and we're over the phone, maybe on a Zoom call or something like that, if I'm confused and it's not clear, I'm not gonna buy it. And so what this formula does is that it helps human mind get clear on whatever the thing you're selling. So you can say, I help carriers with 5 trucks. We're targeting, see, the keyword here is targeting specific audience. So these guys, carriers who own 5 trucks, do what? Get what, right? So they'll be asking questions in their mind, you're helping them, right? So I help carriers with 5 trucks get consistent, high-paying loads. And this by what we call in marketing unique selling proposition you have. So you're different from other people. How? You're doing something different, right? So you have to develop a system that helps people get there, right? And again, get there is the desired state. Maybe this carrier has 5 trucks and he want to go owning a fleet of 20, 25 trucks. So you as a dispatcher help him get there. So this buy is the system, is the framework, is the process, right? Whatever you have unique and I don't. So you own this framework, this process, buy your services. And people usually don't want to do it. The obstacles, for example, right? The objections. I don't want to do it. I help carriers with 5 trucks get high paying, consistent freight or loads by implementing tri-hal principles, X, Y, and Z systems, 4-step, whatever the framework. See that, right? So this is unique. Without cold calling, without contacting brokers, without using load boards, without using direct shippers, whatever that is, you put it over here. And obviously you need to talk to carriers with their objections. What about their objections, right? You must learn about their objections. Think about like how you can help them get direct shippers without doing the cold call actually. So without leaving their office, maybe you are good at in your marketing. Once you have this marketing message, you basically take this to the world and start promoting this, and people will find you. So if you're one of my students watching this, you'll use the ultimate conversion script and close the deal. Most carriers don't want to talk to a broker. Most carriers don't want to talk over the phone, for example. You can do for them. Most carriers, they don't want to leave their offices. They want to run their businesses inside their offices. Think about it, or from home or whatever. So now you drafted your marketing message and you craft it, and now you finalized it, you optimized it, you have the marketing message, and you can just go out there and start promoting it. Now people will be calling you, obviously, because of the message. That message speaks directly to them. Think about owner operator with one truck reading your marketing message. He won't be calling you, and you don't need him, right? So let him do his business, because you have scope, you're targeting people, and within that scope, you have limited people. There is the money. I'm showing to you. I'm giving you everything you need. Just focus on that and target those people and go there. Once you have that scope, it's narrowed. You have that scope, and then people will be calling you because of the messaging. Hey, I have about like 5 trucks. What do you have to offer? Let's do business. This is how it works. In order to get 10,000 level, instead of focusing on like how many owner operators I get, like I need 5 or 6 carriers, think about now it's easy to get 1 carrier with 5 trucks. See that? The point is, you don't need 5 different carriers with 1 truck each. You just convince 1 carrier, and you get to up to this level, and you charge 10K, whatever the service is. And again, for my students, I have the ultimate conversion script, how to close the deal. If you're not my student, then you can develop a script that you can close on the carriers. And obviously, you need to kind of test and then split test and A/B test and whatever you want to do, so that you can get the finalized, battle-tested script that it works. That's it, guys. This is what happens. And you get like just 1, and again, you focus on only 1 carrier. He owns 5 trucks. So I'll be serving you, making this money in average, and you pay me 10K. That's it. No percentage, nothing. I'll be doing dispatch. It should be on your agreement. And again, guys, when I say agreement, please, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not a CPA. This whole thing, the whole YouTube channel that I have is for educational purpose solely. Dispatcher carrier agreement, say that, hey, I'll be making an average about 175K, and this is what you pay, 10K. This is how we get to 10K level. Maybe you're asking, like, Kamal, how fast I can go there? You can go within a month, maybe within 10 years. I don't know. It depends on your actions. It depends on your knowledge, right? It depends how you will execute the information that I gave you or giving to you. A lot of students that implement this, they get pretty quickly to the desired goal. And again, guys, thank you for watching. There will be a link below this video. There's some free resources for you guys. And then obviously there is a paid course if you want to just join me. And then if you want my help to build your business, there will be a link. Please comment below this video. I'll be there with my team, and then we'll be helping you with your questions. So that being said, thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.